If a Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 mouse refuses to connect or keeps dropping out, most issues stem from a firmware mismatch or a port conflict. This tutorial outlines 5 steps to diagnose and resolve connection problems. Step 1. Check basic hardware. Flip the mouse over and ensure the power switch is in the on position. The indicator typically shows a blue light when on, not red. Plug the mouse directly into your PC using the USB-C cable. If the cursor moves while wired, the mouse hardware is functioning correctly, and the problem is likely related to wireless connectivity or the receiver. Step 2. Relocate the receiver. Wireless interference is a common cause of connection drops. Do not plug the small lightspeed receiver directly into the back of the PC case, as the metal case can block the signal. Use the included extension adapter and the charging cable to place the receiver on the desk, ideally within 8 inches of the mousepad. Keeping the receiver away from other wireless devices such as routers also helps reduce interference. Step 3. Update G Hub and firmware. Open Logitech G Hub and ensure you are running the latest 2026 version. Connect the mouse via cable and plug in the receiver at the same time. If a blue update button appears in the top right corner, click it. Logitech frequently releases firmware patches specifically for receiver stability, and applying them is essential for reliable connectivity. Step 4. Use the device pairing tool. If the mouse and receiver have become unpaired, use the pairing tool to force them to reconnect. In G Hub, click the settings or gear icon. Under Support, click Device Pairing Tool. Select the Superlight 2 and follow the on-screen prompts to reset the connection. You may need to turn the mouse off and on again during this process to complete the handshake. Step 5. Reset the USB controllers. If Windows does not detect the dongle at all, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Find Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click each USB root hub, and select Uninstall Device. Restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the drivers, which often clears ghost errors that prevent the Superlight 2 from connecting. Conclusion. Fixing connection issues on the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 involves checking basic hardware, relocating the receiver to reduce interference, updating G Hub and firmware, using the device pairing tool, and resetting USB controllers. These steps address the most common causes of connection drops and failed pairing in 2026.